Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to dropship on eBay without no money and no capital using CJ Dropshipping. As you know guys, CJ Dropshipping is one of the most popular dropshipping website in the world because it's very cheaper, and the product it's very cheaper, and the shipping it take only 3 to 7 days and 4 to 9 days, better to AliExpress and other website and dropshipping website. Then guys, it's very easy, and on this video we'll show you how to list any product on eBay and how to find the winning product on eBay and list on your eBay account. And then using CJ Dropshipping you can list your product on eBay just one click. First guys, open cjdropshipping.com. then you will find two choices. The first one is registers, because it's mean you are the first time using CJ Dropshipping, or if you have already an account on CJ Dropshipping, just click on sign in. For you, if you want to learn how to create an account on CJ Dropshipping, just open my YouTube channel. Then on the description you will find the video on how to create CJ Dropshipping account. Just click on register, and you need to fill the blank of your adding your email address and password, confirm password. Then hit on next and add your name and last name and confirm with your phone number. Then after creating your account on CJ Dropshipping, for example I have already created my account, then I will sign in using my account. Then I will show you how to link your eBay account with CJ Dropshipping. Go on the toolbar on the top, then go directly to authorization. Then you need to scroll down to directly to eBay and click on eBay. Then guys, on this video I will show you how to use CJ Dropshipping and list any product on CJ Dropshipping on your eBay account. I have too much experience on eBay because I make too much money on eBay using CJ Dropshipping, and it's give me too much time. Then guys, first guys, go and enter your store name, then go and open your eBay account, then click on your account, then open your profile account. Then you need to copy the username. Then guys, go and paste it on the search bar on the top. Then guys, you need to search, then your account will appear in the middle because I have already linked my account. Your account or your eBay account will connect it and link it to CJ Dropshipping. Then after linking your account to the eBay account, just go directly to find and searching for the winning product on your eBay. Then for example open your eBay account, then go on the search bar on top, for example gadget. Then you need to find the winning product, because after list the product you will get too much sales on his product, for example this one. Then you need to find first and spying the dropshipper. Then guys, scroll down, for example this one, the product from China. Then open this product, then you need to find the dropshipper. Then guys, open the seller information. As you see guys, go and click again on about. Then finally we found the dropshipper. It's from Sri Lanka. Then the product it's coming from China. It's mean the seller is a dropshipper. Then go and open his shop. Then you need to copy one of this winning product on his account, and then you can copy the copy the title of this product and open the CJ Dropshipper. As you see guys, go on the search bar on the top and paste it. Then okay, then you need to find this this product on CJ Dropshipper. Then I will show you the last step on how to list it on your eBay account. As you see guys, this is the product. It's only $3.85. Then if you want to list it on your eBay, just open this product on CJ Dropshipping. Just scroll down, then go and click on list at the bottom, and again click on list. Then you need to add the shop. Then you are linked with eBay, then using eBay store. Don't worry about this message because my account and eBay account, it's a new account that they don't have limit to list this product. And then guys, after editing, then you need to add the price that you want to sell it on your eBay, for example $10.50. Then guys, at the bottom, then click on list now. Then automatically the product, it will list it on your eBay account without no risk and without no issue. Then and never eBay recognize that you are a dropshipper. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.